This grandma thought she lost her dog during the tornado, but out of nowhere, this happened.
You were lying there in the rubble.
And I never lost consciousness, and I hollered for my little dog, and he didn't answer or didn't come, so I know he's in here somewhere.
What do you think of all this? This is your neighborhood. I can't imagine.
This is life in the big city.
The dog.
Oh, Velsie. Oh, Velsie, bless your little bitty heart.
But against all odds, Bowser was still alive.